लास्ट क्लास में हमने लेसन नंबर 2 ऑन वायलेंस को डिस्कस किया था। पूरा लेसन आपको यही बता रहा है कि पूरे वर्ल्ड में एवरीवेयर, इन एवरी डायरेक्शन, इन एवरी कॉर्नर वी कैन एक्सपीरियंस वायलेंस। हम वायलेंस को एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं। इवन इनसाइड आवर सेल्फ, हमारे अंदर भी, इन आवर फैमिली, इन आवर नेबरहुड, इन आवर कंट्री, इवन इन द वर्ल्ड। टुडे we will discuss all the short question answers of lesson number 2. You will all listen the video carefully and do all the questions in fair notebook and send the work between the given time. First question: what are the characteristics of physical violence? What are the features of physical violence? यानी physical violence होता क्या है, इसकी स्पेशलिटी क्या है? Now listen the answer. Physical violence means killing others, hurting others, knowingly, purposely, जानबूझकर आप किसी को किल कर रहे हैं, हर्ट कर रहे हैं, that is called physical violence. Also using the word of hatred, hateful words is also called the physical violence. Fighting or quarreling over the issues of casteism, religion, land, etc. are also called the physical violence. This is the answer number 1. Now we are moving to the second question. What are the characteristics of inward violence? Inward violence especially criticizing others, hating others for some unknown reason, बिना किसी रीजन के किसी को क्रिटिसाइज करना, हेट करना, उसके लिए हेटफुल वर्ड्स को यूज करना, ये भी इनवर्ड वायलेंस कहलाता है. बट व्हाट इज द स्पेसिफिक फीचर ऑफ इनवर्ड वायलेंस? इनवर्ड वायलेंस इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू अदर, इट इज आल्सो रिलेटेड टू आवर सेल्फ. वी आल्सो quarrel with ourselves continuously. We also quarrel with the family members. We also want to force our likings and our things on others. Now we are moving to the third question. What is more important than having a PhD degree? PhD degree होने से ज़्यादा बेटर क्या है? तो after reading the lesson we can say having kindness for others, having love for others is more important than having the PhD degree. Okay, education is not only for job. Education is meant to remove the violence among the people and from the world. Okay, this is the question number 3. Question number 4. How can a person become rational? एक person sincere कैसे हो सकता है? By, you can say, by removing the feeling of violence, hatred, selfishness, a person can be rational. When a person has all the good qualities like love, mercy, pity, peace, truth, that can be categorized into a rational person who is always ready to help others. Okay, now we are moving to the fifth question. What does a man realize in older age? Older age में एक person क्या realize करता है? A person realizes his mistakes, his shortcomings, his mistakes of life in older age. He thinks that I have lived a life just like a hell. यानी मैंने एक ऐसा लाइफ जिया है that is full of violence, that is full of selfishness, that is full of greed, that is full of hatred. Okay, now we are moving to the last question. When does human life become full of joy? When we try to remove all kinds of violence from the world, we can enjoy the life very well. We can enjoy the beauty of the nature. It means the writer wants to say, the writer makes an appeal that a civilized person always should try to remove the violence, okay, to fight against the violence. That's all for today. Have a nice day.